curious little bird.
Here's a little bird flying so high, flapping my wings up in the sky. Meets the butterfly. Hello, butterfly, flying around, spinning and twirling. You don't touch the ground. Kids attention, twirl and spin slowly like the butterfly, flapping their arms gently. Zoom, 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 zoom. Let's fly so fast, wings in the wind, it's such a blast. A bird meets the frog by the pond, like a bird in the air. Hello frog, you hop so high, jump up, jump down, reach the sky. Chum joins the bird in the sky, stretching their arms like they're jumping high. Hop on my leaf, let's float up high. We're flying together up to the sky. Zoom, 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 zoom. Hello rabbit, hop with me, bounce, bounce, bounce through the green grass. We're so free, I'm like the sun, square like the box, triangle shape and the tinkles, round like the sun, square like the box, triangles sharp and rectangles rock. Kids make big round motions with their hands for round, square with their fingers for square, and point with fingers for triangle and rectangle. Each shape is shown slowly. Look at the rainbow shining so bright, colors of magic in the sunlight. Kids can spread their arms like a rainbow, showing each color slowly by waving their hands from left to right, to right. 1, 2, 3, count the trees. 4, 5, 6, counting with ease. Hold up their fingers as they count, showing 1, 2, 3 in the air, and then moving to 4, 5, 6, etc. Goes and the man. It's time to rest, the day is done. Tomorrow we'll play and have more fun. Kids can pretend to rest their heads on their hands. The bird settles in for the night. Rest, little bird, close your eyes tight. Dream of flying under the moonlight.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Cocostar.